friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews, or as I like to call it, watch my roots get longer and longer because I can't get my hair done. But anyway, today we have my third Wantable. And I'm going to hope that the third time's a charm. If you watched my last one, it was just like gray, gray, gray. So we're going to do my new Wantable box today. So here is the bundle this time, and as we can see, I got a purse. Another purse. The last one in my last video, I'll link it up there if you want to watch my second Wantable unboxing. They sent a purse last time and it was super small. So I did leave feedback on every item. I told them, you know, how I was kind of really disappointed. They wrote back and they were super nice, and oh, here's a prettier side. Let's see if I can push it out. So color, there's actually color this time. So we'll unwrap it. I'm going to leave everything about Wantable in the description. It's a subscription styling service. You can get it on demand every month, every 2 months, every 3 months. It's $20 each time for the styling fee. If you keep something from that box, that $20 goes towards it. But if you don't, you're out that $20. So I've been able to find one thing in each box. I got these earrings last time. So yeah. More in the description below. I don't want to waste your time. You can read, you know. I don't know. I assume you can read. Okay, this is Your Closet is Going to Thank You, and it has all the items listed on there, but I don't want to look at it yet because I want to be surprised. Unlike Stitch Fix, when I ruin it for myself every time. Today we are drinking. What are we drinking? A Moscato. We are drinking a nice Moscato out of my little tumbler there. You guys, I'm back to work now. This is my official weekend. I haven't had like a weekend since March, so it's the weekend. Okay, now streaming. Meet the Wantable stream. So the stream is, they show you different items and you can request them or decline them, and it kind of gives them a little bit of insight into what's your style. So that's the stream. They send you the return envelope. And usually, oh, no, hang on. I was going to say usually it has a little note, but it's on the inside of this one I don't want to look at. So I'm going to fold it over so I don't see the clothes. Hi Rachel, I hope you are doing well and enjoying the warmer weather. I'm loving all the sunshine. Thanks for taking some time to request items from the stream. I did request a couple things, but mostly jewelry. You picked some lovely pieces for the season. I added a great kimono and swing dress too. I was price conscious as well. I did tell them that like everything they were sending me was like kind of pricey for how basic they were. Be sure to let me know what you love and don't love. Or if you have something specific we can work on together for your next edit, make sure you take time for yourself. You deserve it. You deserve it too, Christina. And they even show like a little picture of the stylist. So thanks, Christina. Let's see. And what I asked for, it's really cool. Again, Stitch Fix, they don't show you your note that you wrote them, but it shows you the note that you wrote. That rhymed. And I said, hi, I'm looking for spring summer pieces, maybe high-rise shorts or lightweight kimono, or I'm also looking for casual swing dresses. I said the price of my previous 2 boxes had been a little high, so some more affordable pieces. Let's get into it. I'm already 4 minutes in. Let's show these real quick. All right. Okay. Okay. I'm just kidding. This is the kimono, and that's really cute with the tie-dye. That'd be really cute just over like a plain shirt. And then it has tassels on the bottom. So that's really nice. It's different, you know, that's what, focus. That's what I was looking for, like not just plain stuff. Got some jewelry again. Let's see. Okay, I requested these ones. These are really cute. So if all else fails, I'll just keep some jewelry. They're smaller than I thought they'd be. That's what she said. But, let's see. They're like, oh, I almost just lost one. They're like, these little, they're kind of heavy. I can't find you. They're like these little horn looking things. And they have like some little rhinestones on the top. So those are so dainty and cute once it refocuses. Anywho, I'll set those aside there on my little shelf. Is this ASMR? I don't even know what ASMR stands for. But I think this is it. Anywho, okay. We'll put the jewelry there. Oh, I'm a sucker for black and white stripes. I think I requested this one. So it's just black and white stripe. Got kind of like stretchy little sleeves there. Just kind of basic. But I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker for stripes. That's nice. I think I requested this one too. So this one is like a swing tank. And I got a shirt from Stitch Fix in a box a while ago. Like almost a year ago probably. That was also this brand. I think it's it's Pella. And it was an off the shoulder. And I can't really do off the shoulders very well. It just does not stay off my shoulder. And it was in the same pattern. And I loved this pattern so much on that shirt. So I'm really excited about this one. Finally, I'm excited about Wantable stuff. Alright, this one I can already tell is not probably going to be good because it's not going to stretch. It has no stretch at all. But it's a really pretty kind of Kelly green with little daisies on it. Check out those daisies. And then it does tie in the front. It's also really wrinkly. And it has kind of cuffed sleeves. And I do love cuff sleeves. But it's not going to work because it's not going to stretch. So, this one, I don't know. Is this the swing? This must be the swing dress. So, it's okay. I don't know. It's a swing dress, but it's just basic t-shirt dress again. And, again, when it's just like there's no print, there's no, you know, I don't know. I just feel like it's a nightgown. So, we'll try it on. And last, it's a big purse, alright. Did I request this too? This might be one I requested too, or at least like liked on there. Okay, so it's big purse. Big purse, okay? But, wait for it. It comes with a tinier one inside, and then a tinier one again. What? But, if I recall, it was a little pricey. But, this is the size purse I like. I'm trying to shove everything back in. That's the size purse I like. I don't need one right now, but it has, you guys, it has side pockets. This one has an inside pocket, if you can see as well. It feels like a suede inside. There's too much plastic going on. This smaller one, the second size, comes with a strap, and it has pockets on the inside as well. So it's really cool. Like if you just want a neutral, like all different sizes for all your different occasions, you need different size purses. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's get to trying them on. First we have this green shirt with no stretch. It's not as bad as I thought it would be in the, you know, chest area, but it's not good. I like the color. I like the the cuffed sleeves. I like tie, you know, bottoms, but like there's no stretch. So I kind of just feel like I'm wearing like a scrub shirt or something. But if you don't need shirts with stretch, this would be really cute. I like the daisies on it. Get a little closer. You can see the daisies. I mean, it's cute. Just no stretch, so not for me. There's the back. Just kind of a plain back. I like the green though. Let's end on a good note. I like the green. I'm keeping this tank top. I'm keeping it. I love it. I love the pattern. I've loved it ever since I got it in my Stitch Fix box a year ago in the off-the-shoulder pattern or cut. I love it. It's swingy. Oh, I love it. Super cute. Super cute. Even looks good with this headband. How do you guys like the headband? Am I too old for it? I don't care. I love it. So swingy. Love the yellow and the black and the white. Let me grab a cardigan because I could wear this to work. Hang on. Even cute with this cardigan. Oh, and I like mixing patterns. Like, I know this isn't too crazy of a mixed pattern, but I think that is so cute. With just like some black, you know, skinny work pants. Or even like, I would wear it with like an olive green work pant. Can you tell how much I like this shirt? I'm like, I can't stop moving. That could have been the wine though, but I think a lot of it has to do with the shirt. Like I said, I'm a sucker for black and white stripes. What do you guys think of this one? It is a little bit, it's a little flowy in the bottom. This part is like kind of smocked, so it's a little bit stretchier through here. But it's not like an off the shoulder or anything by any means. And then it has this stretchy band in the arm there. I don't know. This it probably makes my chest look too big, but what doesn't? Let's tuck it in. Oh, I should have tucked the yellow one in. Yeah, I'm a sucker for black and white stripes for the third time I've said no, maybe fourth. But I'm thinking no on this one. Just I think because the way it's cut, it's not really flattering through here. I don't know. I don't know. Let me try tying it. Sorry, you probably couldn't hear that. Let me try tying it. Is that better? I don't know. It's not bad. It's not bad by any means, but I think I have enough black and white stripes right now, but I like it. I'm not in love with it like I was that tank top though. But I like it. I really like this kimono. I just showed it to my husband though, and he said, "You're not a hippie." But I could be. I could be. It is so cute with just this plain white like t-shirt. Gotta love the classic white t-shirt. So cute. Okay, let me pan down and show you the tassels. Look it. Those are so cute. I can hear my dog outside my door. Hi. Okay. Hi, baby. Don't knock everything over. It's a like cute length. Like these are longer shorts too. So I mean it's a long kimono. But if you like long kimonos, it goes all the way to the back of my knee. I think it's adorable. Oh, I think I like it. Okay, well, I mean, we'll see how much it is. Now she wants to go back out. I think it's so cute. So cute. I like the tie-dye. Tie-dye is very in. I have a sweatshirt that's tie-dyed from Scottish Girl Boutique. I'll link that below if I can. But I don't have too many tie-dye things. I know that's super in. This is so cute. So it's just like stitched right here. It's just kind of like boxy when you like that, but I think it's adorable. I think it's adorable. I like tassels. I think it's adorable. So we'll see. We'll see how much it is. If it's a bunch of money, I'm not going to keep it. But you wear it over your swimsuits too. So cute. So this is definitely not a swing dress on me. It's not like super stretchy material. It feels really stiff. I'm going to show you for a hot second, so don't blink. No. No. Okay, let me show you the length. Hot second. No. How about no? No. Nice color. I like red. Red's fine. If it were actually a flowy dress, I would like it. It'd be fine, but it's not. It's very fitted. So that's the last piece of clothing. Let's go over prices and look at the earrings on my ears. Okay, so I just put one earring in because I couldn't get the tag off the other one. But here is the earring. It's pretty dainty. So I don't think I'm going to keep it. I thought it was bigger from the picture on the stream. I thought it was like hang down like that. So I don't think I'm going to keep it. I'm going to take it out. And I clean them and everything. If I put it in my ears. And before I put it in my ears. So I'll put the one I got from the last video back in my ear. Because I really like these ones. Like, I thought those ones hung down more. Wow, I cannot get this in. Yeah, so I thought those ones hung down, you know, longer like that. Anyway, let's go over prices. This box was so much better. Third time really was a charm. So the Scoop Gathered Top in black and white stripe XL is $48, and that's by Lovapella as well. The Legacy Cotton T-shirt dress in Redwood by Alternative Apparel was $38. The Lumi Tie Front Top in Green Daisies by Beach Lunch Lounge is $48. The Floral Swing Tank in Yellow by Lovapella, Yellow Floral, $44. I'm keeping it. I'm going to keep it. The Tie-Dye Printed Kimono in Multi is by Woven Heart. That was $48. So I did think it was really cute. I don't know. I got to think on that one. The Bravery earrings, they're W by Wantable. Those are $38, and the Bella Tote and Cobblestone by Joy Susan is $69. So the whole total before a discount would be $333. If I kept everything, it would be $66.60 off of that, plus the sale tax, minus my $20 styling fee, minus any credits I had, would be $206.06 for the whole box for 7 things. But we know I'm not keeping everything. I think I'm just going to keep the tank top this time. I got to think about the kimono. But yeah, so that was so much better. If you guys want to try Wantable, I'll leave my link down below as well, and you can click on that. I don't know if it gives anything to you guys. It would give me some credit. But I'll leave my link down below. I'll leave my Stitch Fix link down below. It's actually my mom's Stitch Fix link. And I have my Poshmark info down below. Adore Me down below. Down below. So yeah. So that was my Wantable box, you guys. A lot better. A lot better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have a Stitch Fix box coming. I have a FabFitFun box coming. So I got a lot of things to do. I got an Ipsy box coming in June. So yeah. I'm so excited to be doing all these boxes. It keeps me busy. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next time. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And leave a comment below too. Let me know if you liked the video. Be nice. And if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kind of unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that lets you know every time I put out a new video.